Hello everyone! In this video, we're doing a complete walkthrough of the Dice Lite plugin for Amplenote. If you play tabletop games, do probability studies, or just need a randomized selection system directly inside your notes, this plugin is a fast, offline-friendly utility. Once installed, it gives you 4 distinct rolling modes. Let's see how to configure it and how each feature works. To get started, install the plugin from the plugin marketplace in Amplenote titled Dice Lite. This plugin stores all your settings locally, saving your last configurations for next time. Let's start with the simple roll. You trigger this from your Insert Text menu or by typing /DiceLite/command. It prompts you for the number of dice and the number of faces, with default settings, TLDR options, number of dice, how many dice to throw, number of faces, how many sides on each die, e.g. 6, 20, memory. It saves your choices to previous roll simple, so you can re-roll instantly next time. Next is the basic roll, which gives you access to custom tabletop mechanics, TLDR options, min-max limits, clamp the lowest or highest possible value a single die can land on, keep and drop, choose to keep only the highest rolls or drop a set count of highest or lowest rolls, exploding dice, triggers another roll if a die lands on a target value, such as rolling a 6 on a d6, sorting and uniqueness. Sort the array of results in ascending or descending order, or check Unique to remove duplicate rolls. For complex equations, the advanced roll parses math equations. It parses addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, parentheses, and exponents. TLDR options. Custom equations. You can type formulas like 3d4 plus 3, or 1d12 plus 1d10 plus 5. Batch rolling. Enter multiple formulas separated by commas or line breaks to roll them all at once. The output displays the results of each individual formula in a single line. Finally, we have the specialized roll, which simulates 3 recreational and mathematical dice types. TLDR options. Sicherman dice rolls 2 custom numbered dice that mimic the distribution of 2 standard d6 dice. Intransitive dice simulates rolls between non-transitive dice configurations, A, B, and C, where no single die is universally superior. Poker dice simulates hand outcomes from standard, numeric, or crown variations and automatically analyzes the hand. Probabilities. Checking this box appends the exact mathematical probabilities or win rates to your note. That covers all the capabilities of the Dice Lite plugin. It gives you flexible rolling features without any external dependencies. You can find the installation guide and repository link in the description. Thanks for watching.